Hello friends, welcome to the last channel. It's been a month since I'm using iPhone 15 Pro Max and मैं आपसे honestly share करूँगा 5 points जो मुझे अच्छे लगे and there is one problem as well which I'll be sharing at the end of the video. So stay tuned. तो पहले परफॉर्मेंस की बात करते हैं. एक महीने फ़ोन यूज़ करने के बाद I have seen a huge difference. I have used too many phones till date और मैंने ये नोटिस किया कि this phone is always at its peak no matter what. आप कितना भी यूज़ कर लो इस फ़ोन को, it never lags. The speed that it gives is always the same. मैंने बहुत सारे heavy applications ट्राई किए, काफ़ी सारे गेम्स ट्राई किए, Genshin Impact, Asphalt, and it works so damn good. कहीं भी ज़रा सा भी कोई लैग दिखने को नहीं मिला मुझे. The A17 Pro chip is really worth it and Apple has proved it for sure. Not just that, the action button has made the phone way more faster. You know that you can switch to any application that you want, and every time I have clicked the button, it has never disappointed me. So yeah, I think that deserves a credit too. Coming to the second point, the camera performance. The main reason why Apple calls it a pro phone is because of the camera quality that it provides. I've recently recorded 4K videos और वो इतना अच्छा लगता है जैसे कि मैंने ये वीडियो किसी DSLR से बनाया हो. You can hardly differentiate between the phone's video camera and a DSLR camera. So I think the camera deserves a credit as well. Coming to the third point, and that is the battery backup. As per my routine, मैं अपने फ़ोन को सोने से पहले चार्ज कर लेता हूँ. And the next day, the phone works for the entire day. And when I'm about to sleep, तब भी ये फ़ोन is up to 10 to 15%. तो आप सोच सकते हैं द बैटरी बैकअप इज़ वे टू गुड. आई यूज़ हैवी एप्लीकेशंस एज वेल, पर मुझे कहीं कोई फ्लॉ नहीं दिखा. ऑल्दो मैं अपनी बैटरी को 80% तक ऑप्टिमाइज रखता हूँ जस्ट टू सेव द बैटरी लाइफ, एंड इवन देन बैटरी वर्क्स वे टू गुड. एंड नॉट जस्ट दैट, जब भी मैं अपने फ़ोन को चार्ज में लगाता हूँ, इट रियली चार्जेस क्विकली. आई हर्ड सम यूट्यूबर्स सेइंग दैट द phone takes very long to charge, but I didn't saw this in my phone. Whenever I plug in my phone to charge, it charges up to 80% in within 45 minutes or so. And I think that is pretty good. And when I used to charge it till 100%, it used to take around 50 to 55 minutes. And it's pretty good. I don't see a problem in that. I've earlier used Android phones and I remember I had to wait for so long for the phone to charge. But this phone, well, coming to the fourth point, and that is obviously the titanium body. I've been using this phone for so long and I've noticed the phone is way more handy. It feels so comfortable while using it. Even when I'm playing games, using the camera, it is way more lighter as compared to the 14 Pro Max that I used earlier. So I think Apple has done a huge lot of work, because most of the time I used to carry my phone in my hand and it has never made an issue for me. It feels so good in hand every time. Even if I'm stuck in some other work, I'm busy, the phone in the hand is never a problem. So I think the way the weight of the phone is balanced entirely in the phone makes it very much comfortable to use it, and you will definitely feel it while using it. Also, let me include the dynamic island. It does so many work that it feels as if you are using a different screen on your phone. For me, who listens to song every time, I feel so good to jump to the song section to YouTube or YouTube Music or Spotify. Every time I just click on the dynamic island and I can see the display playing the song. It feels so good skipping to that application in just a few seconds. So yeah, the credit goes to that as well. And the fifth point that I'll be discussing is actually a problem in the phone. Recently this news circulated everywhere that the phone has a heating issue, and up to some extent it is really there. I have felt that while exporting videos from InShot or VN, that the phone does heats up a bit, and obviously while charging as well, the phone does heats a little bit. But I have come to a conclusion that the reason being the phone heats, it's because of the heavy processing that it does. Obviously the device is small, and if it does a heavy processing, obviously it will heat up. So yeah, I think that is a problem with the phone, and maybe if Apple does something to resolve this issue, that will be a good move by Apple. So in the conclusion, I would say, as per me, the phone is way too good, and if you are thinking of getting this phone, I would definitely suggest you to go for it. But again, depending upon your budget and your requirements. But if you are getting it, you are not gonna regret for sure, and it will be a worthy purchase for you. If you liked my video, hit a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you again in the last channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.